rain just scares off the tourists. Something terrible. I don't get it. Look at all these empty chairs. Come on down. There's a chair for your butt. Miles and miles of white sand beaches. Yeah, there's the bird. I don't get it. A little bit of thunder, a little bit of rain, sand between your toes, makes your woes go away. The waves come in, the waves go out. They don't give a darn. Been doing it for over 100 years. I guarantee that.